Lokesh. Thank you for the opportunity again. 50-year-old female fall from two-wheeler while attempting to stop. The vehicle spun and her leg got twisted and she fell and injured her left leg. Minimal swelling, soft tissue, okay. No DNVD. And this is the pre-op. I think clearly. So tibial shaft extension spiral into the metaphysis and medially intraarticular around, I can say, 1 mm step.
Yes.
Knee is okay, ankle is okay, posteriorly there is no involvement of posterior.
So these seemingly simple injuries can be one of the worst nightmares in this career. These fractures which appear very benign. How would you like to do a CT scan in this?
Yeah, me. I do anything in this.
Yes. How many would like to do a CT scan?
Always.
Why it is so visible? Why do you want to add a scan?
So the fracture line was extending into the joint. So we would want to get a CT scan to
stable partial articular. You can say it's a very one articular line. You can say that's why I could not plan for a CT scan. Okay. Otherwise, the gross anatomy contour at the knee and at the ankle looking okay. So you can see this. Okay. Grossly the contour is okay. Distal tibia and so plan. So who will do what?
Cast though I think is forgotten. I don't know whether. How many of you all have applied a PTB cast here?
Last
Sir,
week
Sorry, no. I don't agree with this. Even now I do it. Why should you not do it? That is a proper way of treatment. There should not be in your mind that I will do only this and only this. Conservative treatments are not bad. I had one doctor who had a distal tibial fracture. Says, Shakir, मेरे को ऐसे कर किया. 2 महीने में healed up so nicely. I didn't operate on him.
There are multiple ways to skin a cat.
Yeah, there's no point in getting fixed in your mind that I will think this is very old-fashioned. Believe me, when you are in trouble, the old-fashioned things will bail you out and not the new-fashioned things.
That
Two
goes for the
lines.
surgeons also.
In 2 lines, who can tell me the principle of a PTB cast? You have done a PTB cast? Tell me what is the principle of a PTB cast?
So for
The long form of PTB.
PTB.
patella tendon bearing cast,
is a misnomer.
it's one of the requirements is it requires complete fracture stability before application.
Gummy.
Yes, sir.
The word is gummy.
Gummy,
Siddharth.
sorry. So yes, sir. It requires a gummy before application, and it's based on the principle Pascal's law. When the limb is loaded in a closed compartment, the forces act outwards, and if we apply a cast, it maintains the fractured fragments together, allowing with motion.
What you are talking is Sarmiento principle,
Yes.
which you use in the humerus or the femur,
Yes.
because it's a closed compartment.
Yes.
PTB is bypassing or sharing the tibial weight.
Yes.
Condense.
Yes.
So using the quadriceps function for your tibia.
Tibia.
That
yes.
is what sir is
The
asking.
load bearing goes from the patellar tendon to
Patella,
the
but you are
cast.
using the quadriceps
to
for your
the
tibia.
yes.
It's applied in 15 degrees of flexion, no? So when you extend your knee, the PTB tongue presses on the patella and the superior part of the quadriceps, and it converts the quadriceps tension into compression in the tibia.
And it will not allow full extension, because in full extension the load bearing goes directly through the tibia.
Anybody for option 2, 3, 4? This is what was done. So 4 months. So some callus you can see at the proximal end, and distally the fracture line is gone actually. ये play कर सकते क्या? But at 4 months, she is almost having full function. Knee also, ankle movement, and she is able to walk properly. Full weight bearing. From day one only, she was mobilized.
So is it a suprapatellar? No,
No.
A normal standard.
Nail would have been passed first, but
So
during distal.
yes, all the care was taken not to open the fracture.
For that I am asking.
Yes. So I did not put any clamp or anything, okay, because I never wanted any soft tissue to communicate anywhere. Okay, first I was going slowly with the reaming, slowly with the putting nail also. I did not hammer it more, okay, but I was slowly doing it, so that if it opens, then probably I would have stopped it, I would have held it with something and then would have continued. But fortunately, I was okay with putting complete nail. I did complete nailing and then I did this nipple.
And after distal locking of the nail, then plating.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.